So I'll be skipping one stitch and working the decrease into the next stitch, and this is in the UK a treble two together and in the US a double two together. So I'm going to wrap the yarn once around the hook, place the hook through the stitch, yarn around the hook and pull the loop through. I'm going to pull through two of the loops on the hook, leaving the third. So I've got two loops on the hook, and then I'm going to wrap the yarn once around the hook, place it through the next stitch, yarn around hook and pull through the loop, yarn around hook, pull it through two of the loops, and now I've got three loops on the hook, and I'm going to pull through all three of those. And so that's your UK treble two together or US double crochet two together.